Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the self-survey features in CIS 360. To access self-surveys, students can use their dashboard and select self-survey results to see any previously completed self-surveys. They can click through to go directly to that self-survey result. You can also use the top navigation menu and select self-surveys to be taken to the landing page. The landing page will contain all available self-surveys for your site. If a student had previously completed a self-survey in the old CIS system, those will automatically transfer over to the CIS 360 system, with the exception of reality check. Self-surveys are available in Spanish. Use the drop-down menu at the top to select Spanish, and you will see an ES show up next to the self-survey. The description will change to Spanish, the text of the self-survey will change, and the results. For CCI Quick Pick, there's audio for that assessment, and that is in Spanish as well. To access a self-survey, a student would click into it and see an instruction page. This instruction page will indicate the amount of time it takes to complete the self-survey, the amount of items, and what they need to do to complete. For many of the self-surveys, they will be ranking items based on how much they like or dislike an activity, agree or disagree with a statement. A student can select Start to begin. At any time through the self-survey, a student can navigate back using the arrow to a previous question or forward to advance. If you need to stop the self-survey in the middle, you can select Save and enter any kind of thought or reflection that you'd like. You can also start the self-survey over. Saved results will be available under the Restore button. You will see two different answer sets here. This was the one we just saved where I only got to question 5, but this was an answer set where we completed the survey. A student can click in and see previous results. For the career cluster inventory, you will see the top 3 career clusters appear at the top. Students can click into the career cluster and be taken to the profile page where they can learn more about the cluster and easily go back to the self-survey by clicking the button at the top. They can scroll down and see all of the different clusters and click through to their profiles. For any of the self-survey results, there's the option to export a PDF of the result. This is really helpful to be able to turn in for an assignment. A student can also save from this screen and enter any kind of thought or reflection they have. These will be available on the student's dashboard. A different style of self-survey is reality check. Students can use reality check to find out how much money is needed to support their desired lifestyle and what careers match that financial need. Students can start with going through and listing all of their different preferences for lifestyle, or they can start with a career and a salary to see if their lifestyle will match. It is important that students don't just take self-surveys, but they take time to reflect about what those results mean for them. In the career plan, there's a reflection included for each self-survey for a student to be able to do an activity after a self-survey and reflect on the results. In this example, our career plans are broken out by grade, but your site might look different. You will see the self-survey listed and then a reflection that goes along with each self-survey. This has been a quick tutorial on how to use self-surveys in the CIS 360 system. For more information about how to use other features within CIS 360, watch the tutorial videos.